Milliken Hill is one of the most famous tourist attractions within the city of Enugu. The hill, which is about 100 meters above sea level, offers a beautiful standpoint for a panoramic view of the city. Milliken Hill is a section of the famous Udi Hill, named after A.B. Milliken, the head engineer that designed the windy road that connects the city of Enugu to Ngo and subsequently Awka and Onitsha. After the discovery of coal within the Udi Hill, the 4.8-kilometer long Milliken Hill Road was constructed in 1909 and named after the head engineer that designed the road. The road, which has about 33 sharp bends, winds through the foot of the hill to the hilltop, bounded by deep gullies. Underneath the hills are beautiful tunnels and relics of coal mines which the city of Enugu is known for. Located on the hilltop is the Ngo community, while on the foot of the hill is the area market, popularly referred to as New Market, and the Iva Valley, one of the oldest community for coal miners within the city of Enugu. In 2018, the Milliken Hill Road was reconstructed for the first time after its first construction in 1909. Due to its winding nature, the Milliken Hill Road is said to have the second highest accident rate after the onyeama axis of Enugu Onitsha Express Road. before an alternative road leading to the city of Enugu from the Ngwo axis of the state was constructed. Motorists coming in and out of the city had no other choice than to ply the Milliken Hill Road. If you are a nature lover within the city of Enugu, Milliken Hill is perfect for nature walk, mountain biking, cycling, or hiking.